Oh, look at this angelic creation. Hey, what's up, Eat Squad? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the best mujaddara. It's a Middle Eastern rice and lentil dish that is topped off with some deliciously caramelized onions. Let's get it. We're going to start by chopping up a lot of onions. I have about 3 medium-sized onions. I'm going to add this to a pan with some hot oil. We're looking to fry these onions to caramelization. You want to keep stirring these so they don't completely burn on one side. Alright, they're starting to turn a beautiful brown color and are still tender in the middle. That's exactly how we want it. So these are nice and caramelized now, so I'm just going to reserve about a half of this for our topping. And to this, I'm going to add in about a cup of our washed green lentils, equal amounts of washed long grain rice, I'm using Basmati here, and some water. And just give this a good stir before we start adding in our seasoning. Some cumin, a little bit of allspice, a little bit of cinnamon, some coriander, some turmeric, a little bit of salt, and lastly some black pepper. And I'm just gonna mix this all up and let it cook for about 20 minutes or so, or until the rice is done. Oh my goodness, just look at this rice. Just look at how nicely cooked the rice is, and the onions are just gonna be so sweet and caramelized. This is just the ultimate comfort food, and it's so healthy with all of these lentils. And not to mention, it smells so amazing with all of these spices. And if you want the exact measurements, check out the description box below. I'll write out a full-length recipe so you can make at home. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button so you can keep seeing more delicious recipes. And now let's get to plating. And just top it off with some great caramelized onions that we reserved from earlier, a little bit of fresh parsley, and you can also serve this with some Greek yogurt. And there you have it, folks, some amazing mujaddara. Cheers!